Hi everyone, my name is Shana from WTI, and you can protect your privacy with these mini camera privacy covers. This is an ultra thin camera cover slide. This camera slide can cover your laptop, your front camera facing phones if you don't have a protective screen on it, and tablets. So these are super cute and really help to protect your privacy. Installing is really easy. After wiping your camera area clean, you take off the tape on the back, line it up with your camera, and hold it for about 3 seconds just to ensure good adhesion. And the stickers easily remove and you can put it back on to make adjustments. And not too long ago, a lot of us were having to use Zoom for whatever reason. So I love that I was able to have my video on and maybe a nice background, but not actually have to be on camera. I could just slide the little cover over and it still felt like I was still kind of participating in the Zoom meeting, but not really having to be on camera. And I do love that I'm just protecting my privacy with all of these devices and their cameras, because nowadays you just never know, and that's my point of view.